it ain't the same. Everything is changed.
So different, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Crazy. Look good though?
I think so. They're beautiful.
Very beautiful. And upgrade it like. Oh yeah. No, you're the on vacation. You want to get in shape and so. Yes, you see.
I want to eat banana.
I eat right through right now, yeah. I love the colors of this.
Ah, like
Yes, yes. Rastafari. I love that. I love that. Look at the tour. This is another pool. Them have like about 3 pools. We went to the other side. Beautiful, me I tell you. So you come in and you lie down and you know, relax on them everything. You know, tomorrow we'll show you what going on the pool deck. You know, everything changed now because of Rona, so it's not the normal activities.
The cat didn't change. There's a cat.
Jesus, always nasty as usual. But it's beautiful.
It is a beautiful place.
Still. And it is very spacious. I'm not telling you like they upgrade them. I'm impressed. The upgrade them makes sense. I'm impressed. Very good, very spacious, very modern.
Very modern.
And I'm glad we can compare it because we've been to Rio a lot of times back in the past. So now, then versus now, it is like definitely a 10.
8.5.
What?
8.5.
What do you mean?
8.5.
Why?
10 is perfect. That means no room for improvement.
Well, you know there's room for improvement, but I mean with all the Rona procedures and
Rona procedures is 100%.
So I don't mean as you sit on.
Oh, that you're talking about the way things are.
No man, you're mad. Rona procedures. Love it. Another little pool. Everybody good around there?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You know, we are tour, you know. We are tour the place.
Hi, old Jam.
Hi, old Jam. You know, look on that all. Look, shake your body. So, yeah. I love the shade of them leaf here. The little yellow, little green blending right there. So.
You got fast.
Coconut tree. You have to be careful how you walk under them. You know, leaf them shaky. But there is the beach. Foot in the sand, kinda. Yeah.
Oh, my feet have sand on it.
Right. And sunset at 6:02. And I hope it's pretty enough because really I look forward to seeing it. Of course, my baby.
And get my feet in the cold asphalt.
Ooh, water. The beach. Let's run and dive in it. Ah! The prettiest water of all. Look at that, guys. So relaxing. Take a shot.
Water nice.
Beautiful water. Look at this view. So beautiful. So beautiful. Steady. Steady. No, you're not gonna wash up though. Wash right out. What you say, ready tomorrow? baby? Walking on the beach? Pump your foot in the water. What's going on?
I think it's cold.
You don't know if you're not trying?
I walk around with sandy coolie toes.
Ah, true. I want to bring the card for the towel. Alright. Hold my hand, woman.
Come and get in the water with you later.
Mm-hmm.
Later.
Yes.
And watch the dog.
What's that?
Dun, dun.
Alright, the sunset, I take out your pants, so hopefully guys, you'll see it.